A poor mindset doesn't just refer to a lack of wealth. It encompasses how we think about money and our relationship with it. The first step is recognizing and confronting negative beliefs. Ask yourself where these beliefs originated and whether they're serving your financial goals. Now, let's get practical. Begin by setting specific financial goals. Where do you want to be financially in the short, medium, and long term? Having clear objectives will provide direction and motivation. Break these goals down into actionable steps. For instance, if you want to save $5,000 in a year, that's around $416 per month. It becomes a manageable target when broken down. Create a budget that aligns with your goals. Track every dollar you earn and spend. Apps and spreadsheets can make this process easier. It's not about deprivation, it's about allocating resources efficiently. Building an emergency fund is crucial. Start with a small goal, like saving $1,000 for unexpected expenses. It acts as a financial safety net, reducing anxiety about unexpected bills. And remember, investing isn't just for the wealthy. Start small and steadily. Compound interest can work wonders over time. A financial advisor can provide tailored guidance. Education is a game changer. Devote time to learning about personal finance. Books, online courses, and podcasts are excellent resources. Understand the power of compounding, investment strategies, and how different financial instruments work. Surround yourself with a supportive network. Seek out mentors or friends with a positive financial outlook. Share your goals and challenges. They can provide valuable insights. Finally, practice gratitude. It's easy to focus on what you lack, but appreciating what you have can shift your mindset. Every small achievement counts. Remember, changing your financial mindset is a journey, not an overnight transformation. With patience, consistency, and these practical strategies, you can shift from a poor mindset to one of abundance and financial security. Thanks for watching.